So I'm in a gold trade. It is back in the red. Ended up Friday doing some craziness. So let's just take a look at the 4-hour chart. So gold came back to an entry point here for me that I've been watching on this this level here of support. So if I just tighten up my zone here, what you can see is price came down, tagged this area, right? And then kept going and has since retraced into this zone, bounced a little bit and came down. Now, I know what some people are going to say right there. They're going to say, Nick, isn't that a lower high? Why would you buy after a lower high? And what I really want to drill in with this topic of lower highs, lower lows, all that stuff, for me and for many technical, traders, a lower high, you have to be careful saying something is a lower high before it's truly a lower high. How do we know it's a lower high? Well, when we get a lower low. Keep it really simple, right? If we actually were to have closed down here, then that's a lower high. But if that doesn't happen yet, right? Is that a lower high? In my view, no, that's not a lower high. A lower high is when you have had a lower low to solidly say so, right? So if we break out through these lows, then this will have officially been a lower high, because what is it right now? It's just consolidation. Gold is in consolidation here at a key level of support. So if we take a look at the daily chart here, what you can see is that we have 3,300 being tested, right? We've been in this big up move. We had a retracement to this 38.2% retracement, right? You can see there's that level, came right into that area, and we are now testing this zone of support. And as we pull back into this area, right, the question will become, can we hold that and go higher, or is gold still in the means of correcting? Now, if you're watching this show and you're like, well, Nick, weren't you in gold before? Yes, I was. I took this gold trade from here, and I ultimately got stopped out, trailed out for a profit here. And then you might be confused because you're like, well, Nick, then you just re-entered right after? And the answer is yes. I really liked the way we rejected off this area, and I think it's worth giving a try according to my trading rules. But I took 1/2 of the position size that I previously had. This trade closed out here. My entry here is about 1/2 the size of my first trade. So I took a smaller attempt to go long on gold. And since then, what's been a little bit troubling is that gold has dropped down to a neutral rating. Trend is still in favor of the bulls, but we're teetering, right? We're really close to getting a downtrend or flip to the negative. So I'm just going to, I've took the trade. I'm just going to keep my stop loss on. And if we take out these lows, right, that's my signal for gold to just take a loss, right? And again, this is a smaller size, about half a size of the previous attempt or the previous trade. So I'm just going to look for this one to either continue in the direction that we've been going, or if we fail out here at support, just take a loss and move on. If you'd like to see more of our free daily chart of the days, make sure to join our Telegram channel if you have not already joined. And if you are already in the Telegram channel, make sure to hit that thumbs up button to support our work. Also, quick reminder that if you're looking for free tools and free education in the trading space, head over to a1trading.com. You can check out our free technical, fundamental courses and much more.